Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am talking about what is cover order and what are the features of cover order and how to place the order in CO with an example of both buying and selling to know being turned. Welcome back to Trading Manja and I am Manjunath. Okay, let's start with a definition. A cover order is a special type of order through which you can place the order in intraday with an advantage of adding stop loss trigger before entering to the market. When the order hits its trigger price and the stop loss order get executed. I think you all got an idea. Okay, come let's place the order in cover order. Before placing the order, let me explain some features of cover order. The cover order is only applicable for NSE, National Stock Exchange, and it's aren't allowed for BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. You can see here when I choosing BSE, there is no option as a cover order, but when I selecting NSE, you can see the option as cover order. In cover order, you can place the order in two types: market order and limit order. Okay, come let's place the order with an example. Let's start with market order. Market order is the one you need to pay full market amount to buy the order. Here you can't able to change the price to buy or sell. Okay, to buy the order or select the market and set stop loss trigger. Where stop loss trigger is the one where the order will exit when it hits the trigger. And one thing when you setting stop loss trigger, the price of stop loss must be less than the market price of the order. You can see here when I going to buy the order with highest stop loss trigger, the order is not placed and it's showing me as error. Okay, I think you all got an idea about market and stop loss. We come back to buy the order, just swipe to buy. After swiping to buy, you get a notification as completed, and it comes to executed. You can see here buy color India is completed, and select open. Here you can see the sell order is open, and come back and select portfolio and select position. You can see here your order is in position. I think you all got an idea how to buy the order in CO. And one more thing, you can also modify your stop loss trigger. To modify, just click on the order and tap on modify and change the price regarding to your modification and swipe to modify, and you get a modification as submitted, and your order is modified. And to exit the order or to sell the order, you need to exit in the open only. You can't able to exit in position. If you trying to exit in there, you get a notification as cover or bracket order or exit in form of outdoor book. I think you all got it. Okay, come back to exit. Tap on the order you buy and click on exit, and your order will get exit. And that's all about market. And come, let's place the order in limit. The limit order is the one where you can set the price to buy or to sell the order. Okay, come, let's place the order in limit. Then you get an idea regarding to it. To place the order, just click on the stock which you need to buy and select cover order and tap on limit. After tapping limit, you can change the buy price of the stock which I was said before. You can see here I am changing the buy price from 185.6 rupees to 185.5 rupees. I reducing 10 paisa, and I setting stop loss trigger as 185.40. Setting stop loss trigger is similar which I was explained in market order. After setting buy price and stop loss trigger, just swipe to buy. After buy, you get a notification as submitted, and your order come to open position. Here you can see both buy and sell option, and when the price hit the buy price which you place it, and then your order will get executed. If you want, you can modify the buy price, and similarly when the price hits the stop loss trigger, your order will exit from the position. I think you all got an idea regarding to limit in cover order, and that's all about cover order. And I just said before, I will explain with an example of selling also. Selling is also similar. It is vice versa to buy order. In selling order, you first sell the order and then you buy the order. it is similarly vice versa to it. And if you want, you can go through the video which I was showing there, and in that clearly showing how to sell the order and how to buy it. And thank you, that's all about it. And thank you guys, thank you for supporting, and please do subscribe.